Welcome to my baby girl's nursery tour. It has been long overdue and I know a lot of people wanted to see this. So I'm going to take you through each corner of the room and I'll let you know where each piece is from, and then I'll also let you know like the thoughts I had behind the theme of the room. So my thoughts behind the room was to keep it gender neutral so that we can pass some of the furniture down if we have a second baby down the line. But I also wanted subtle feminine touches in the room, but nothing crazy. So I'll start with the crib. You guys are going to see that a lot of the items are from Restoration Hardware, Baby and Child, and also Anthropologie. And the way that I justified it in my mind was I'd be able to pass down the items to a second baby down the line. So we'll start here. Love this hamper. I think I got that from the tot. I'm not sure. If I can remember and find where I got everything from, I'll put links down below. The crib is from Restoration Hardware and so is the mattress. And then I got these white butterflies from Pottery Barn Kids, I believe, and the mobile from Masonette. The monitor, which has been life-changing, and it is by far the best monitor I've come across, and I've done a lot of research on it. It's Nanit. And if you guys are on the market for a monitor, I would definitely look into this one. And then my husband had gotten this faux plant for another room, but it ended up working perfectly in here because I wanted to add some sort of elements of nature in the room mixed in with all the animals that you'll see. And then these butterfly wings are from her first Halloween costume. I can't remember off the top of my head where I got it from, but I'll link it down below if I could find it. And then a little cute flamingo. And then this wall right here, these pictures are from Restoration Hardware. I'm actually going to turn on the light. Then here's her closet. I don't have a lot of clothing for her, and I thought that I would, but they grow out of clothing so fast, so there's just no point in buying a lot. I find myself doing a clean out every 3 months, so it's just pointless to me to have a lot of clothing right now at the age that she's at. So that's her closet. And then probably my favorite corner of the room is this right here. It's just the perfect cute little corner. So the side table and the Pouf, I believe, are from Lulu and Georgia. And then that is the Hatch nightlight. Love that nightlight and sound machine. The chair is from Restoration Hardware, and I think that throw over the chair is from Parachute Home. And then I wanted to make it like a fun corner and really colorful, mixed in with some toys, and you can see I put in some toys here. And then we have some pillows here, and all of the stuffed animals you're gonna see are from Jellycat, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, they're all from Jellycat. They have by far the cutest stuffed animals. And you're gonna see I have them like thrown around the room. Here I have, all of these baskets are from Zara Home, and then these 2 lamps are also Restoration Hardware. And you're gonna see I don't have blackout shades. I'm not a huge fan of it because I wanted her to learn the difference between day and night. And it works great for her. I think it's to each their own. Some babies can't sleep when there's light during the day, but it works perfectly for her. And then there is this corner, and I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with this either. I didn't want it to look really messy, so I figured I'd put a bunch of baskets and then organize it that way. That pampas grass with that pink vase, which I absolutely love, that's from Anthropologie. Those are like the subtle feminine touches I put into the room. And a little tip about pampas grass, spray it with some hairspray and it won't shed at all. That's what I did before I put it in the room. So I'm gonna start here and then I'll go over to the changing table. So this basket, it's like a changing basket. I learned very quickly on that sometimes it's better to be practical as a parent than have things that are aesthetically pleasing, and this was the case because originally I had this changing basket and sometimes you open that diaper and things come shooting out and it was getting messy. So this one was way more practical, not as cute, but works with the room and it's fine. So I ended up just throwing it up here, putting more stuffed animals. I'm gonna see where I can find all of the pillows. There were more up here. I'm not sure where I got them from, but I'll try and find them. And then again, some Jellycat stuffed animals. And then you can see here I have just a bunch of toys. And then this down here, I love this thing. It wraps around the crib, and I only put it in the crib when I'm in here folding laundry, and then she can just like play with it while she's in the crib, and it works amazing. And then over here I have all of her sleep sacks, and I have some onesies. And then a lot of hair bows. I got most of them from Amazon. My daughter has a ton of hair, so I didn't think I was gonna be girly like this with her. I mean, I'm really girly, but I didn't think I was gonna go over the top, but she has so much hair and I have no other way of like really putting it up. And I guess it's really cute when you do see a bow in her hair. And then some hats and some boots. And then over here, I just have like some baby carriers and some other extra things. All of the baskets, even these, are from Zara Home. So this is her changing table. And hi guys. This mirror is from Pottery Barn, I believe, but they have this circle mirror everywhere. I originally had a different wipe storage thing, and my daughter, when she was first born, hated cold wipes. She would scream bloody murder. So we ended up getting this, and it keeps the wipes warm. It's not as chic as the other one, but again, it's more practical for my baby. This is the new changing table pad thing that I got, and then I always keep like a little pillow and a sheet on it so that it doesn't get that dirty. And then this also keeps her warm and her head comfortable. And then this is the dresser. It's so gorgeous. It's from Anthropologie, and I'm not sure if I mentioned, but the rug is also from Anthropologie, and for me, I think this rug totally makes the room. I don't think it would be the same without it, but it is so annoying. It's not comfortable to walk on. It's so hard to vacuum. There's so much crap that gets stuck between all of these like knitted things. It's just, yeah, it's not a practical rug for a baby room. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but my husband hates it and he's like begging me to get rid of it, but I really don't want to because I really think that it makes the room. So this is where I'm fighting the aesthetics over the practicality of things. So back to this. Over here, I just keep the diapers stocked, and then some wipes, and for wipes I use water wipes, and there's nothing in this except water and a drop of fruit extract. I get these from Amazon. They are amazing. I don't like using anything scented on my daughter. And then I use Pampers Pure diapers, which I also really love. And then just some extra things. I have Aveeno boogie wipes, extra things for the changing pads for the table. And then anything that I may need, thermometers, diaper rash cream, stuff like that, medicine. Let me know if you guys want to see a baby's must-have video. I was planning on doing it. And that's the last drawer. These are the diaper genie liners, and I just keep like some extra stock of things here. So for baby skincare, I mostly use Aveeno. It's great for your baby skin. There's no scent to it. And then I use these boogie wipes. And then I also really love anything Frida Baby. I have a lot of their products as well. Like their, I always call it a snot rocket thing. I forgot what it's called. Snot sucker. But this thing is amazing as well. So anything baby Frida or even Frida Mom is life-changing. Love their products. I'm also going to try and do a baby must-haves video. I spent a lot of time doing a lot of research on so many different things, and I feel like I found so many great baby products, and there's so much on the market. It's definitely an oversaturated market, but again, to each their own with each baby. Every baby is different, but I can do a baby must-haves and show you what worked for my baby and things that have made our lives a lot easier. But I hope you guys enjoyed this nursery tour. It is by far my favorite room in the house. I really just wanted to keep the room very, very tranquil, serene, and then infuse elements that could stimulate her mind with the stuffed animals and the bookshelves and throwing in colors and the toys, but also keeping things sort of tamed and subtle at the same time. And I also really love the subtle feminine hints throughout the room without having it be overwhelmingly feminine. I'm not really into pink everywhere. If I had a boy, blue everywhere. I really gravitate towards the neutral tones more, but I am girly, so I wanted to infuse a little bit of femininity to the room. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts below, and I will see you guys soon.